now gamma under option Greeks. Let's again discuss an example. Assume Nifty spot is at 10,312 and strike price under consideration is 10,400 and we are talking of a call option. So what is the approximate delta value for the 10,400 call option when the spot is 10,312? Delta should be between 0 and 0.5 as 10,400 call is out of the money. Let's assume that the delta is 0.4 in this case. Now if Nifty spot moves from 10,312 to 10,400, what do you think is the delta value? Delta should be around 0.5 as 10,400 call option is now an at the money option. And Nifty spot if moves from 10,400 to 10,500, what do you think that the delta value could be? Closer to 1 as 10,400 call is now an in the money call option. Let's say it is 0.8. And say finally if Nifty spot cracks heavily and drops back to 10,300 from 10,500, what happens to our delta? With the fall in spot, the option has again become an out of the money from in the money option. Hence, the value of delta also falls from 0.8 to say now 0.35. So what do we understand from this example? When the spot value changes, the moneyness of an option changes and therefore the delta also changes. The delta changes with the changes in the value of the spot price. So we can say that delta is a variable and it's not a fixed entity. The gamma of an option measures this change in delta for a given change in the underlying. That means gamma of an option help us answer this question that for a given change in the underlying, what will be the corresponding change in the delta of the option? That is measured by gamma. Change in premium with respect to change in the underlying is captured by delta and hence delta is called the first order derivative of the premium. And change in delta is with respect to change in the value of underlying which is captured by gamma. Hence, gamma is called the second order derivative of the premium. For example, let's talk about a situation. Nifty spot is trading at 10,326. Option strike price is 10,400 and we are talking of a call option. So the moneyness of option is slightly out of the money and the premium at which it is trading is say 26 rupees. Delta of this option is 0.3 and gamma of this particular option is 0.0025. So the change in the spot price is say 70 points. So the new spot price would be 10,326 plus 70, which is 10,396. So what will be the new premium? What would be the new delta? What would be the new moneyness of the option? Let's calculate all of these. The change in the premium would be delta into change in the spot price, that is 0.3 into 70, which is 21. So the new premium would be change in premium plus old premium, that is 21 plus 26, which gives us 47 rupees. Gamma, that is the rate of change of delta, which is 0.0025 units for every 1 point change in the underlying. So the change in delta is gamma into the change in underlying, which will give us 0.175. So the new delta would be old delta, that is 0.3 plus change in delta, which is 0.175, which gives us 0.475. The new moneyness will be at the money when Nifty moves from 10,326 to 10,396. The 10,400 call option premium changed from 26 rupees to 47, and along with this the delta changed from 0.3 to 0.475, and with the change of 70 points the option transition from slightly out of the money to now at the money option, which means the option delta has to change from 0.3 to somewhere close to 0.5. This is exactly what has happened in our example. I hope gamma is clear to all of you. With this, we come to an end of this video. Thank you.
বলতে পারছি না, মোদি বললে কখনো